Hey guys, Connor with ReuZip. Today I'm going to show you how to increase the strength of your seal if you're using higher levels of negative air pressure using our magnetic extensions. You can use them with our mounting strips or with our fastener strips. So if you're going to use a magnetic extension with our mounting strip refill, flip it over, take your mounting strip, unroll it and attach it to the back side. Then flip it back over and you'll know exactly where to cut. Now you have your length. You can remove the mounting strip. And you'll take your scissors and cut down the middle. You got your two sides. So now we're ready to apply our extension strips. You go inside the barrier, grab your loop strips, and you're going to be applying these to the back side. So peel and stick one side. Same with the other side. All right, so you're gonna take your extension, make sure it lines up flush with the original magnetic entry strip. Now you take the second half, do the same thing. Another quick tip, you can also run these horizontal on the bottom of the barrier to increase the level of air pressure resistance. Basically acts as a counterweight.